In this video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue after Champion Select in League of Legends. First, open the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and launch it. Once it's open, go to the Details tab, sort by name, and press L to quickly find all League-related processes. Make sure to end every League of Legends and Riot client process. Next, locate your League of Legends installation folder. You can do this by opening your drive, then navigating to Riot Games League of Legends. Inside the folder, find leagueclient.exe. Right-click it, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. After that, go into the Game folder, find leagueoflegends.exe. Right-click it, open Properties, head to Compatibility, and enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations there as well. Now, go back to your desktop and right-click your League of Legends shortcut. Open Properties, go to Compatibility, and make sure Full Screen Optimizations are disabled there too. Then click Open File Location, find the Riot client, and apply the same setting to it. Once you've disabled Full Screen Optimizations for all four, League Client, League of Legends, the desktop shortcut, and the Riot client, your game should run normally without the black screen issue. That's it. If this helped, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.